everyone, welcome back to Tammy Lee TV, and today I'm going to teach you how to make avocado and berry smoothie. This recipe is gluten-free, dairy-free, vegetarian, low-carb, and it only takes 5 minutes. So let's look at the nutrition before we get started. 166 calories, 10 grams of fat, 18 grams of carbs, 3 grams of protein, and 7 grams of fiber. When to eat this for endurance athletes, I recommend before a low intensity ride, like a zone 2 ride, moderate, about 1.5 to 2 hours. It's not really suitable before a high intensity ride or workout or run or whatever, as there's too much fat and fiber. So your stomach will not like that while you're out there doing that hard work. And also, I don't suggest it really for post-workout, although you could have it, but it's not really enough protein and carbohydrates to repair and refuel. This is for endurance athletes I'm talking about. So these are people who are out there giving her for long periods of time. Our diet tends to be a little bit different than the average person who works out for 30 to 60 minutes, a few times a week. You will need 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup of frozen berries, 1 cup of almond milk, 2 teaspoons of honey, and a tablespoon of ground flaxseed. Pretty simple. Let's get her done. And just quickly, I want to mention my Go Fit Life project, which is for endurance athletes that would like to get a stronger core, maybe lose some weight, and train more efficiently. I have an online membership, and you can check that out at gofitlife.ca. There is a ton of content on the inside.